Hi everyone, we're here for day 11, which is Eclectic, and you know, Eclectic is a interesting one because look, honestly, I feel that our junk journals are eclectic already in the first place. They've got such a, well, mine are, they're a mix of papers and printouts, found papers. This is Joss paper, and ideas, material, sewn things. I consider it's a funny day because my lot is already stamps, all different kinds of things, that, you know, pockets. It's like it is a bunch of eclectic things already. So I thought I would kind of just do a collage. Now, something about doilies. They're not that easy because of all the holes in them. And these are, I was doing some mucking around with, what was I using? I was using just acrylics in water, really watered down, to get a sense of colour on my doilies. These are paper doilies. The problem with doilies is that they've got all the holes in, so you can end up with a whole heap of glue all over the place. So I'm just going to make an eclectic, my idea of eclectic collage page. I'm going to use this bit of tea. Today's tea is a T2 tea, and it's Sunshine. And my friend Karen, who I saw the other day, bought me a little tin from T2, but she also gave me a couple of tea bags, and one was the same Sunshine. So that's what I've been having this morning. It's a very good morning tea, and yes, it does have a bit of caffeine in it. Yesterday I had one after lunch and I was still buzzing by the time I went to bed. So yesterday was an absolutely lovely day with my friend, catching up. The oldest friend, actually. Probably shouldn't have stuck that down just yet. We were talking about, so we've known each other for 35 years. Talking about our children. Because they're all grown up, of course. I got a package yesterday from England, and it had this very heavy duty fragile tape on, which I've never seen. It was really wrapped up really well, but I just thought I wouldn't mind a bit of this. I wouldn't mind the letters. That's what I was thinking. I might just use the R and the A. Sticky, but it's not totally sticky. Oh, I do want it there. All right, I'm only going to press one side because I think I want to put something under there. Oh, that's like that. Like that. That'll work. Our eclectic junk journals. Now, what else? What else have I got here? Oh, a little bit more of this. Of course, these little lines are great if we want to be, where is it? There it is, my little glue book. If we want to be drawing too, I enjoy the lined page for helping with perspective if we want to draw. Now, I like that. Do I want it? No, I'm actually okay with it covering a bit of that ladder there. Now, what else did I find? Oh, I found I have some of these little stickers, which I've had for quite a while. The other thing is, if I wasn't sort of trying to do so many videos and having a lot of other things on, because it's this time of year, this after Christmas and after New Year period where everyone's sort of in holiday mode and wants to catch up. So I am enjoying and loving having a bit of social time. But I've also decided I've been doing some deep cleaning in the house as well. So I'm kind of gone from 0 again after Christmas and New Year, stopping the pet sitting, going from 0 to 100, which is okay. This is my eclectic collage. Now, what else did I see? So, notes on plants. Oh, letters from afar. Oh, that's cute. Should get one of these on down here. That will help that stick because it's on a thicker card. I ordered, you might already know, of course, you might already know about this. Back in the day, we used to just be able to order all these things. But now, Temu's sort of what everyone's ordering from, and there's quite a bit of, well, you know, are they plagiarising? Are they doing a lot of things on the cheap? That's the question. Now, where's the page? There it is. I like seeing the word wandered there. But I just ordered a couple of bits of washi stickers, which I'm looking forward to playing with. I love these little science cards. They're not stickers, they're just little books of you can tear out. Gorgeous. Now, this is where I want to use one or two of these. So this is my version of Eclectic. Would be mixing handcrafted with little just ephemera additions with something I made and then printed out, with a bit of material, with something that's come in the post. Now, what came in the post was something I have waited for a little while to buy, and I quite love them, so I am excited about that. I've been putting a bit of this doily in my Roxy's Journal of Stitchery. I love it. And might just make a little snippet. Staple it on. Now, have I got a needle and thread. I was just thinking I could stitch on something. Oh, here, this is the other thing I found that I wanted to put on. Now I'll just see if this stapler goes all the way down. Yep. And I think because that was the page I did yesterday, I'm going to carry on one or two of these little cute stickers. They really are quite cute. Yep, that's a raccoon. What's this? Maybe a bear? Panda? Bear? I'm not sure. Waste not, want not. I'm loving building up some of these pages. I'll put it a bit below so you can still see a bit of the muskets. I was just glancing over at this. I'm just thinking. About little components. So this has also got a little bit of that joss paper. The joss paper in Richmond, there is a big Asian supermarket. I didn't really know what joss paper was about, but for like New Year's Eve and things like that, it's like it's pretend practice money, not practice money, but pretend money that you use as a way to signify good fortune and prosperity. And I do believe mostly Chinese, so maybe it's used Chinese New Year, and they burn it, I believe. I'm just filling in a few gaps here. I feel like I like the green in this one. This little snippet. Blends in that bit of green. What a feast for the eyes. I wanted a little bit of this old ledger paper. Yeah, so today's a nice quiet day after all the visiting and catch-ups. House is going to come for lunch, and I'm mainly today focusing on deep cleaning. I've been doing the washing machine and the dishwasher and my bedroom, and also I've realised I want to do a big change in this in my studio because it's sort of new. So I just immediately set up this spot, and there are a couple of things that aren't necessarily working. So I'm looking to do a big change around. So hopefully I can manage to do that today as well. I was having a chat to my daughter and I realised women are courageous, you know. There are things we do that are courageous, and she was doing something and I thought, no, that took courage. So that's my word. I'm not the best writer. Courage. Oh, that's it. Okay, well, I'll see you tomorrow for the next one. Bye for now.